Watch this video and learn how to draw a sloth. Later on, Artie takes a dance break. And watch to the end to see one of Louie's shape breaks. Are you ready, Artie? Are you ready, little artists? It's Artie's show!
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Hello, Artie. Artie?
Oh, hello, little artist.
Hello, you didn't see us for a minute.
Yeah.
Should we do a drawing today?
Oh, Artie would love to do that.
Okay.
Yes, please. Oh, yeah.
Hello, little artists!
Hey kids, how's it going?
Are you ready to do a drawing, Artie?
Yeah, I'm ready.
I have a feeling it's going to be a work of art.
Okay, let's get going. Woohoo!
Yay!
It's time to start drawing. Drawing, drawing. It's time to start drawing.
We're going to start by drawing a circle on the right side of the page in the middle. Take your time, Artie. Hey, Artie, after we finish this drawing, we can watch YouTube videos about sloths.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, yay. Oh.
Instead of trying to draw the circle in one go, we're going to do it in little sections, taking our time. Now let's add a little black dot in the middle. If Artie's drawing a little too quick, here's a message from Bunny Fluffington.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away, and when you're caught up, you can just press play. That was so much fun!
Thank you, Bunny. Now let's draw a little smiley mouth underneath that nose. And how about two little cute eyes, one on the left and one on the right. Now around the top half of the face, let's draw another line copying the shape of the face. Be patient, Artie. Draw it as carefully as you can.
I can feel the anticipation in the air.
I can smell it too.
Thank you, Mikey. Okay, Artie, carry on round and then come down with a nice sweeping curve shape. Oh, that's very good. Keep going round even more. One big sweeping curve. Excellent.
Hi, Artie. Whoa, look at that drawing. What with your art and my voice, it's a perfect duet. Whoa!
Oh, Barry, all the dogs are barking now. Now, Artie, at the end of that line, let's draw 3 little toes. 1, 2, one more, 3.
Oh, I think we should stop and have a dance break.
You want a dance break?
Yeah,
Okay, why not?
yeah, dance break. Dance break, dance break.
Look at him go, Betty, look at him go.
Oh, Fantastico. Fantastico 10.
I love it when Artie and I dance together.
Oh, dance break.
That was a good one.
Yeah, that was really fun.
Was it exhausting?
A little bit tired.
Well, should we finish the drawing now?
Yeah.
Come on then.
Okay.
Now, from those 3 fingers, let's draw a big U shape. And on the end of that U, 3 more fingers. 1, 2, 3. Keep watching because Louie's going to do one of his shape breaks. Oh, this looks great, Artie. I know, let's draw the branch of a tree because sloths love to hang from branches of trees. Let's make it quite a thick branch, so draw another curved line underneath and that will give it some thickness. Oh yes, that's looking really good, Artie.
Oh, that music sounds nice. Oh no, that's Painty's music.
Uh-oh.
Oh, Painty. Now there's paint all over the floor and there's even some on this wall over here. Ugh, you're very naughty, Painty. Oh, good idea, Artie. I see you're adding some leaves to the branch of the tree. It's little details like this that really make a drawing come alive. Great thinking, Artie.
Oh, Artie wants shape break.
Artie wants a shape break?
Yeah.
All right then.
Okay, Louie, shape break.
Hello and welcome to a shape break. My name's Louie and I'm going to teach you about a shape today. This shape right here, it's called a rhombus. Some people like to call it a diamond shape and that's okay, but the correct name is rhombus. Can you say it with me? Rhombus. Ready? Rhombus. That's right, rhombus. So, as you see, it has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, it's a little bit like a square, because a square, as we know, also has 4 sides. But this one's at an angle, slanted a little bit, so it's more of a diamond shape. And of course, diamonds are indeed that shape. But also, one of my favourite toys is that shape. You know what it is? A kite. I love kites. I love to fly my kite. Have you ever flown a kite, little artist? Oh, it's so much fun. Don't tell anyone. But last time I flew my kite, it got stuck up there in a tree. It was not my favourite thing in the world. But it's up there. Get it? It's up there. It's one of my favorite. No, okay. Well, flying a kite has its ups and downs. Also, why did Elsa lose her kite? Do you know? Because she let it go. Let it go. She let it go. Oh, God, I'm terrible.
Oh, Louie, that was good.
It was.
Oh, Artie learnt a lot.
Me too.
Yeah, shape break. Yeah.
Come on, let's finish this drawing off. Now, Artie, get that thinner pen. Yes, that one. That's going to be good for adding detail. We're going to give our sloth lots of hair. First of all, let's draw a nice swirly shape inside of his face. That'll help later when we're colouring in. Now let's give him some hairs. Draw lots and lots of little short lines using the thinner pen. This might take a bit of patience, Artie. We need lots of these little lines.
Hello, Artie.
Oh, hi, Bunny.
Hi. Artie, that drawing is so beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
Helping out now, Artie. Stay creative.
Bye.
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 Oh, Artie, isn't it nice when Bunny comes and visits?
Yeah.
She's so sweet. I think she likes you a little bit, Artie.
No.
Now let's add some wavy lines inside the branch of the tree. That's going to make it look a little bit more like wood. Oh, I love all this detail, Artie. It's really making this drawing look very rich and full. You know, I think you might be finished.
I finished.
I thought you were.
Yeah,
Are you happy?
I'm really happy with it.
Oh, good.
It looks great.
It does.
Some color would make this even better.
You're not wrong about that, Betty.
I'm finished.
What a great job, Artie. It came out so good.
Looks really good.
I bet you're pleased with it.
Very, very happy.
Well, it's wonderful work.
Bye, Artie!
Hey, kids, have a great day.
We'll see you next time on Artie's show. Bye-bye.
That was so much fun. Thank you for watching. Have an Artie day. Bye. Bye for now. Bye-bye.